Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Telegram channel tidy and up to date, unpinning old messages is a quick and easy way to do it. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to unpin a message from your Telegram channel, so you can manage your announcements and keep your chat clean. First, open the Telegram app on your device and navigate to the channel where you have a pinned message at the top of the chat. You'll notice that the pinned message is always displayed prominently, making it easy to find. Next, tap on the pinned message banner at the very top of your screen. This will open the pinned message directly in the chat, bringing it into focus and showing you exactly which message is currently pinned. Once you're viewing the pinned message, simply single tap on the message itself. This will bring up a menu with several options related to that message. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Unpin. Go ahead and select Unpin. Telegram will instantly remove the message from the pinned section, and it will return to its normal place in the chat history. The message itself won't be deleted, it just won't be highlighted at the top anymore, and that's it. You've successfully unpinned a message from your Telegram channel. This process is the same whether you're using Telegram on Android or iOS, and it works for both channels and groups with pinned messages. Remember, keeping your pinned messages relevant helps your community stay informed and makes your channel easier to navigate. If you ever need to pin a new message, just repeat the process in reverse. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips on managing your Telegram channels. Stay organized and see you in the next guide.